Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hajin Lee, and I want to share with you a little bit about the higher lows and the higher highs. The bulls for months have been looking at these three-wave corrective sequences. And of course, invariably, a three-wave ABC or WXY corrective sequence has to have at least one higher high and one higher high and one higher low. So that gets the bulls every time very excited. And that's when the 100K chanters come out, especially on YouTube and crypto Twitter sphere, what have you. So you need to be, I think, a little bit more, I should say, cautioned. Yes, higher low, higher highs usually are components of a reversal pattern. But from an LA wave perspective, when it's very three-wave-ish, you can see how this is very three strokes, A, B, C, or in this case, W, X, Y. The higher low and the higher highs are really moot points because it's just purely corrective. And they did it again back in May. They said higher low, higher highs. But it was clearly just a three-wave construct, corrective yet again. And here we are today. This was the snap taken yesterday. And, of course, the bulls, the perma bulls, the blinded bulls, are looking for higher low and higher high and saying, this time it is it. It's got to be at this time. Look, this is the reversal pattern. I know it didn't happen here, but the bulls are now screaming and chanting and screeching for the 100K. Now, I was very bullish most of the time from 2018 until a few months ago. And a few months ago, when was that, March, I said, GTFO, get out of the market. This is it. The correction bear market is going to start. And I bought at around under 5K in 2018. So the profit was still quite impressive for me, and I enjoyed it. Now is now the time to be taking buying actions. Well, let's see. Higher low, higher high, three-wave construct. Same thing. Higher low, higher high, three-wave construct. What's happened since yesterday and today? You can see here in the chart that the sequence is really just nothing more than a three-wave construct, which means it's corrective. And that's exactly what we saw here. And, of course, here. But do you notice a pattern going on? Okay, let's go all the way back to here as well. This was a massive three-wave construct, but the only difference between here was it was impulsive. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are not impulsive, but still, this was very large. This was about half the size of this. This is about half the size of that. This is about a little more than half the size of that. What's going to happen? I think the bottom is coming soon. Exactly when? What price level? That's reserved for members. In fact, today, gold members are having live Q&A session with me, and they pitch question after question, and I swing at every one of them. It is time well spent. Consider joining. Now's the time to join, because accumulation of buying times are approaching. Have a good day.